What's up, y'all? Dave Money, American Layers. Thanks for coming back. I'm about to bust open this box. I got these Vasque boots for Christmas, but we had to send them back because they were a little bit too small. So it's January 23rd. I finally have the boots, and I want to bust them open with you. Share this moment with me. Zach, though, because I'm a craftsman. Ta-da! Were they worth it? Were they worth the wait? I love them. Only thing, they were a little too small, so sent them back. Now they're here. I'm a little bit worked up because this is my first time measuring my foot in a long time. So, I mean, I'm not nervous about the boots, but since I called customer service, measured my foot, and had them give me the exact corresponding size, I'm just kind of eager to see if it works out perfectly. Got my shoehorn. Ready to try these on. I'm gonna go with the left one first. Even though the left was good, it's the right that gave me trouble. I tried them on with regular socks before, so I'm rocking a thick wool camp sock right now on my left foot. It's the shoehorn. That's smooth. I'm good. I'm good with the camp sock. So let's see what's up with the right side. I'm good. I'm in there. I'm in there. It's good, man. Yo, I love these because of the lace, man. They came with the red and the blue, but I'm not gonna play the blue at all. It's about this red. Yo, thanks for sharing this moment with me. Yeah, I'm amped up. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm amped up. You know, took the measurement. It worked out perfectly. Because I like to guess. I usually do stuff by like guesstimation. But I said, nah, let's start doing stuff the official way, you know. And it worked. And I want to thank Jack Fort Mac. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. He hit me with a special gift, and I appreciate that. Lets me know that you guys like what I've been doing. Also appreciate Sid Vicious. I like your perspective. It shows that you want the show to stay in a certain direction. Bro, I'm letting you know we're going to stay in the pocket. I'm going to try things, but if the people don't like it, then we're going to stick with the basics. But, you know, I will try stuff. Anyway. It's all fun, man.